Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate dark mode in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my computer with Windows 11. And first thing first, we need to go to our setting. You can click on the start menu first and then select settings. Okay, in the setting, you need to choose personalization and go to the colors option. Okay, and here you'll be able to change your mode. As you can see, I'm using light mode and I'm going to activate my dark mode. We can click on this option and select dark. Okay, and now the dark mode has been activated guys, and that's how we can activate dark mode in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.